హలో ఎవ్రీవన్. పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 19 మనకు పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ టాపిక్లోంచి ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రేమ్ అవుతుంది. అయితే ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్లో మనకు ఒక 6 థీరమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, అందులోంచి కంపల్సరీ ఒక థీరం వస్తుంది. ఆర్ అదర్వైజ్ లేదంటే ఈక్వలేటర్ ట్రయాంగిల్ పైన క్వశ్చన్ కానీ, తర్వాత సెంట్రాయిడ్ పైన క్వశ్చన్ కానీ అలాంటి ఫ్రేమ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. లెట్ us డిస్కస్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. ప్రూవ్ దట్ యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal 0 is cos theta equal to a plus b by root over a minus b whole square plus 4h square is given. Here you have to put modulus mod a plus b అని ఉండాలి. ఎస్, ఈ రిజల్ట్ని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. గివెన్ దట్ homogeneous equation, we know that homogeneous equation indicates pair of lines which are passing through origin. Pair of lines passing through origin ఇచ్చాడు కదా. ఎస్, x యాక్సిస్ y యాక్సిస్ తీసుకుందాం. నెక్స్ట్ లైన్స్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ ఆరిజిన్ చూస్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను నేను. Suppose this is first line passing through origin and another line which is also passing through origin selected. Yes, now this is theta, angle between pair of lines, and this is origin. It is x-axis and this is y-axis. Given that homogeneous equation, given that pair of lines denoted by h, a x square plus 2h xy plus b y square equal to 0, it represents pair of lines passing through origin. Why? Because if you substitute x value 0, y value 0, the equation satisfies. So that given equation, homogeneous equation that represent pair of lines passing through origin, and here theta is angle between the lines. Here the homogeneous equation that can be separated into two lines, and they are two lines denoted by first line y equal to m1x, second line suppose that y equal to m2x. That is homogeneous equation written as combination of y minus m1x, y minus m2x, and here y coefficient is b, so that I am writing here b. This is equal to 0. You can write in this form. Homogeneous equation is given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal 0. Here y square coefficient b and the separated lines are y minus m1x, y minus m2x. This is separated equations of given homogeneous equation. And here on comparing both the sides, comparing these two equations, we get sum of roots, product of roots and difference of roots. Here coefficient of x square is a, and coefficient of x square what we get? b into m1 m2. So m1 into m2 equal to a by b. sum of roots and product of roots we are going to write. Also, you can find difference between roots. Sum of roots here minus 2h divided by b, and product of roots here a by b, and m1 minus m2, difference between roots h square minus ab divided by b, root over h square minus ab by b, where b non-zero quantity. m1 plus m2 value, m1 plus m2 here, m1 into xy, m2 into xy. xy coefficient, if you compare on both the sides, it is 2h, and this is minus m1 plus m2 of minus m1 minus m2 multiplied by b, so that we get m1 plus m2 value minus 2h by b. And product of slopes, here m1 into m2 x square into b, that is a, so that m1 m2 value written as a by b. Also we get m1 minus m2 value root over h square minus ab by b. Next, I am going to write, since theta is angle between, I think it is 2 into under root of h square minus ab by b. Yes, that is 2 into under root of h square minus ab by b, m1 minus m2. These three results directly you have to write in the theorem without comparing. You have to remember these three things in each theorem. Yes, theta is angle between the lines. Let implies tan theta written as m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is general formula, angle between two lines. Now I can write tan theta value m1 minus m2, that is 2 into root over h square minus ab divided by b, divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 value a divided by b. And here we can write, in the next step, tan theta written as 2 into root over h square minus ab divided by, here on simplification it become a plus b. This is the value of tan theta, and it should be always positive. But the aim is to find cos theta. Opposite 2 into root over h square minus ab and adjacent a plus b. Now we need to find hypotenuse. Hypotenuse whole square written as 4 times of h square minus ab plus a plus b whole square, that is h square become 4h square minus 4ab plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. Therefore, h square written as 4h square minus, this is plus, I can write a square plus b square minus 2ab value a minus b whole square, or you can write h value root over a minus b whole square plus 4h square also. Yes, this is hypotenuse. So from this you can write cosine angle cos theta. Adjacent you have here a plus b, hypotenuse root over a minus b whole square plus 4 times of h square. This is angle between pair of lines when homogeneous equation is given. Here h equal to b of y minus m1x into y minus m2x separation part and sum of slopes, product of slopes, difference between slopes. In each and every theorem you have to write directly. This you have to remember to complete this 7 marks question. ఈ పార్ట్ వరకు మీరు ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటూ రాయాల్సిన పని లేదు. సమ్ ఆఫ్ స్లోప్స్ మైనస్ 2h బై బి, ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ స్లోప్స్ a బై బి, డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ స్లోప్స్ 2 ఇంటూ అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ h స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ a బై బి. డిఫరెన్స్ m1 మైనస్ m2 కావచ్చు, m2 మైనస్ m1 కావచ్చు. పుట్ మోడ్యులస్ సైన్ హియర్. ఈ పార్ట్ దాకా మీరు యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ రాసేటట్లు ఉండాలి. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ కాస్ థీటా అడిగాడు క్వశ్చన్లో. మనం tan థీటా ఫార్ములా m1 మైనస్ m2 బై 1 ప్లస్ m1 m2 యూజ్ చేసాం. బట్ ఫైనల్గా రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ యూజ్ చేస్తూ కొసైన్ యాంగిల్ వాల్యూ రాసాం. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. రిమెంబర్ ఈ పోర్షన్ మాత్రం కంపల్సరీ ప్రతి థీరంలో కూడా రాసేటట్లు ఉండాలి మీరు. ఎస్, ఈ పోర్షన్ మీరు మళ్ళీ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో కంపారిజన్ అవన్నీ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, లెట్ us move to the next. Prove that angle bisectors of pair of distinct lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is h of x square minus y square equal to a minus b of xy. This is the question. Here we need to find angle bisectors and the lines are homogeneous equation, representing homogeneous equation, right? Yes, we know that homogeneous equations represent pair of lines passing through origin. About homogeneous equations, here you have. This is about homogeneous equations. H ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 and represent separated lines, sum of slopes, products of slopes, difference between slope. It is common for every theorem. And pair of distinct lines whose angular bisectors required here. This is one line, another x-axis and y-axis, and then the lines I am going to draw. Next, straight lines. This is suppose first line, and assume that this is second line. Next, bisector, angle bisector we need, and assume that the bisector assume that this is bisector line. Now assume that the bisector one, that is y equal to mx, line passing through origin, and this is first line. Suppose that y equal to m1x and this is y equal to m2x. Let us suppose first line makes an angle theta 1, second line makes an angle y equal to mx here, that makes an angle theta, and here this is the line m2x, suppose making an angle theta 2. Yes, here I am going to write about theta, theta 1 and theta 2. Theta here, angle made by y equal to mx with positive x-axis. Next, theta 1, that is angle made by y equal to m1x with positive x-axis. Next, theta 2, angle made by y equal to m2x with positive x-axis. Yes. And from figure you can write, let us observe here, since it is bisector, angle between these two lines is same as angle between these two lines. And this is theta 2 minus theta here. Theta 2 minus theta. And this is theta minus theta 1. Yes. Now I can write from figure. From figure you can write theta 2 minus theta written as theta minus theta 1, and hence 2 theta written as theta 2 minus theta 1. Yes. Applying tangent angle on both the sides. Tan 2 theta written as tan of theta 2 minus theta 1. Here homogeneous equation by red colored lines. Bisector line is dotted line, y equal to mx. And this is about homogeneous lines, homogeneous equation, that is separated lines. And this is about the angle. And from the figure it is very clear that theta 2 minus theta is theta minus theta 1. Applying tangent angle, we get tan 2 theta value, formula I am going to write 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta it is. And this is tan A minus B formula, tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Observe here, m is slope of the line and m denoted by tangent angle here. M is tan theta, slope. M1 is slope, tan theta 1. M2 is denoted by tan theta 2. Therefore, here I can write 2m divided by 1 minus m square equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. M value from this you can write y divided by x, so that it is 2 times of y divided by x divided by 1 minus y square divided by x square. Next here, difference between roots, 2 into root over h square minus ab divided by 1 plus m1 m2, that is a by b. Here it is theta 1 plus theta 2, right? Here you have to write plus sign. When it is of plus sign, you have to write minus 2h by b. Yes. 2 theta become theta 1 plus theta 2. So that, yes, observe here, this one having denominator b, and here also it is having denominator b. I am going to adjust here b divided by b. Next, this is having x square denominator part. Here let us adjust x square and x square here, both having common denominator part. Here I am going to adjust x square as denominator. Now, there each and every term having denominator b gets cancelled. Here each and every term having denominator part x square gets cancelled. We get 2 times of xy divided by x square minus y square equal to minus 2h by, and here it is automatically minus sign, right? Here it is minus sign, minus. So that what we get? This negative sign, if you write in the denominator part, it becomes a minus b. Tan a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So here plus sign, here it is minus sign. Here plus, here it is minus. Sum of roots, product of roots. Okay. You got this result. On cross multiplication, you can reach the solution. Now I am going to cross multiply this. On cross multiplication, here 2 gets cancelled, and on cross multiplication h into x square minus y square, that become a minus b of xy. Yes, this is your answer.